This is a 52-inch Shark, all dead stock apart from my own propeller. 6S, first run. Brought some 8S batteries as well. The temperature of the 6S pack will tell me if I can use them. Let's see how we go. It's actually faster than I thought it was going to be. Yeah, it sits really nice, it turns good. As it's the first run, I might just bring it in straight away and just make sure everything's cool. Yep, that's fine. Okay, my guess with the prop size was okay, so be okay to do 8S in a minute. What kind of speed did that do? Oh, about what I thought. I was guessing 60, it did 64. That's fair enough. I'll just run the battery down a little bit more. Definitely likes his 71.4 prop. It takes off good. You're not going to get a better looking boat, that's for sure.